Yeah, I just wanted to share with you one of the easiest trades this week. Guys, the strategy that I'm using wasn't built overnight. It's the result of thousands of hours refining what works and discarding what doesn't. The simplicity you see now hides the discipline it takes to trade correctly. And that's the real secret most traders ignore. So next time, remember that the more complicated is your strategy, the less control you have over it. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.